Hello friends, welcome to our channel all about guns. In this video we'll show you how to assemble IOF made 315 caliber bolt action rifle. To start with, let's first identify the different parts of IOF 315 caliber bolt action rifle. So first we have the buttstock, and there is a recoil pad on the back, and then we have the rear sling swivel. Then we have the foreguard and the front sling swivel. Next is the trigger guard and the trigger. Then we have the bolt. This is the bolt of 315 caliber. Next, the magazine. It's a 6-shot magazine. The safety lock. This is the complete safety lock. Then we have the screws and the pins, and the last part is the barrel and the receiver. This is the receiver, and then we have the barrel, and this is the front sight, and the last part is the rear sight. There is an option for different rear sights. You can select as per your shooting distance. So friends, now we start with the assembly of the 315 caliber bolt action rifle. Okay, to start with the assembly, first we need to put on the foreguard. We'll take the foreguard and place it on the barrel and the receiver like this. Fix it properly, and then we need to attach the trigger guard and the trigger. To fix the trigger guard, you just need to push it from back side and move it towards the front like this. Next, we need to tighten the screws on the trigger guard. There are 3 screws on the foreguard which hold the trigger and the receiver together. Second one is on the trigger guard. And then the last one, the third and the last one on the foreguard near the front sling swivel. Now take the safety lock. Make sure it is aligned properly with the receiver like this. And lock it with the screw. Okay, the safety lock is in position. Now we need to attach the buttstock. Fix it like this. Need a long screwdriver and tighten the main bolt. Okay, after tightening the buttstock properly, now we need to fix the recoil pad. We had opened only one screw, so now we just need to tighten only that screw. Next, we insert the bolt, insert it like this, and then lock it. Don't forget to lock the bolt from the upper side. Okay, the bolt is in position, and the last part is the magazine. Just insert the magazine and our bolt action rifle is ready. So you can check the mechanism is working properly. So this is how you assemble a IOF made 315 caliber bolt action rifle. Thank you for watching our video, and don't forget to share and subscribe our channel all about guns. Thank you.